now, no echo in the air, just the ghost of whistles and the weight of what was there. Lights are clicking off, shadows growing tall. I'm leaning on the frame where they used to hang it all. The roar is just a static hum inside my head. Every goal a story that's already been read. Cristiano Ronaldo, the world still knows the name, but the fire in the field is just a fire in the field, is just a pilot light in the rain. One final walk, the tunnel feels so long, like the last fading chord of a very tired song. No crowds in the hallway, no cameras in the eyes, just the sound of my own breath under Mexican skies. The roar is just a static hum inside my head. Every goal a story that's already been read. Cristiano Ronaldo, the world still knows the name, but the fire in the field is just a fire in the field, is just a pilot light in the rain. Cristiano Ronaldo, just a name in the silence now. Cristiano Ronaldo, let the lights go out.